Studio microphone. Welcome back, warriors! Today, we're shifting gears from main battle tanks to Russia's most ambitious infantry vehicle project, the Bumerang IFV. Unlike anything the Russian military has fielded before, this 8x8 armored vehicle represents a modular, future-forward approach to mechanized warfare. But does it live up to the hype? Let's roll into the details. Small Blue Diamond, Segment 1, Background and Development. Studio microphone. The Bumerang, officially called the VPK-7829, is a next-generation infantry fighting vehicle, IFV, developed by Russia's military-industrial company, VPK. After decades of using the Soviet-era BTR series, which had major flaws like the front-placed engine and cramped design, the Russian mod needed something radically different. Thus, in the early 2010s, the Bumerang project was launched as part of Russia's Armata Universal Combat Platform family. It was first publicly unveiled during the 2015 Moscow Victory Day parade, and immediately caught the attention of defense analysts worldwide. Small Blue Diamond, Segment 2, Design Philosophy. Studio microphone. Unlike older BTRs, which were amphibious but vulnerable and hard to modernize, the Bumerang is designed from the ground up with modularity, survivability, and crew comfort in mind. One major design shift? The engine is now in the front, allowing troops to enter and exit from the rear, much safer in combat. It's built on an 8x8 wheeled chassis, offering high mobility, better protection, and easier logistics over tracked platforms. It can be configured for troop transport, command roles, medical evacuation, fire support, or even anti-air operations. This makes Bumerang not just a vehicle, but a platform, similar to NATO's Boxer or Stryker systems. Small Blue Diamond, Segment 3, Armament. Studio microphone. The main combat version, the K-17, is equipped with the Bumerang BM remote-controlled turret. It features a 30mm 2A42 automatic cannon, a 7.62mm PKT coaxial machine gun, Kornet-EM anti-tank guided missiles, capable of destroying enemy tanks and fortifications up to 8 to 10 kilometers away. The turret is unmanned and stabilized, with thermal sights, laser rangefinders, and target tracking systems. It allows for hunter-killer operations, enabling simultaneous target acquisition and engagement. This makes the Bumerang a serious threat to both enemy armor and infantry. Small Blue Diamond, Segment 4, Protection and Survivability. Studio microphone. Protection is another area where Bumerang shines. It features modular composite armor, with the option to install explosive reactive armor, ERA, packages. The base armor provides protection against 7.62mm to 14.5mm rounds, while upgraded versions can withstand 30mm autocannon fire. The vehicle also includes SPAL liners inside the troop compartment, NBC protection system, nuclear, biological, chemical, smoke grenade launchers, mine-resistant hull to counter IEDs and mines. This level of protection is a big leap from the BTR-8082 family, which had very thin armor and vulnerable layouts. Small Blue Diamond, Segment 5, Troop Capacity and Crew Comfort. The Bumerang is built with the modern soldier in mind. It can carry up to 8 fully equipped infantrymen, in addition to the 3 crew members, commander, gunner, and driver. Inside, it's roomy and air-conditioned, with shock-absorbing seats, digital controls, and rear cameras for better situational awareness. Troops enter via a hydraulic rear ramp, not side doors like older BTRs. This reduces exposure to enemy fire during dismount operations, a lesson learned from conflicts in Chechnya, Georgia, and Ukraine. Small Blue Diamond, Segment 6, Mobility and Amphibious Capability. Studio microphone. The Bumerang is powered by a YMZ 780 diesel engine, producing up to 750 horsepower, with a top speed of 100 km per hour on roads. It's fully amphibious, thanks to 2 rear water jets, and can navigate rivers and shallow lakes without any preparation, critical for operations across Russia's vast terrain. With an independent suspension, central tire inflation system, and run-flat tires, the Bumerang offers superior mobility over both paved roads and rugged terrain. It also features a hydraulic height adjustment system, allowing it to raise or lower its chassis depending on mission needs. Small Blue Diamond, Segment 7, Digital Systems and Future Integration. Studio Microphone. The Bumerang is built for network-centric warfare. It includes Battlefield Management System, BMS, encrypted communication, data linking with drones, UAVs, and command centers, 360-degree situational awareness through cameras and sensors. It's future-ready and can be adapted to AI-assisted targeting and automated logistics tracking. Russia plans to integrate autonomous and remote control features in future Bumerang models. There's even talk of adapting it for robotic warfare or urban drone swarms. Small Blue Diamond, Segment 8, Export Potential and Global Impact. Studio Microphone. Russia is actively marketing the Bumerang to foreign customers. Its modularity, cost efficiency, and combat capability make it a rival to the US Stryker, German Boxer, and French VBCI systems. While the unit cost is not officially disclosed, it's estimated to be around $4 to $5 million, making it affordable for countries seeking high capability without the Western price tag. Several Middle Eastern and African nations have shown interest. End arrow, conclusion. Studio Microphone. So, is the Bumerang IFV a game changer? Absolutely. It represents a paradigm shift in Russian mechanized doctrine, focusing on modularity, survivability, and digital integration. While delays and budget challenges have slowed its full deployment, there's no denying its strategic importance for the Russian ground forces. If Russia pushes it into mass production, the battlefield may soon be filled with these futuristic 8x8 warriors. Fire, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Comment below. Do you think Bumerang will reshape the modern battlefield?